The Karst landscape. The Karst landscape preserves the beauty of nature that we hardly notice. The cave, the underground river, the towering cliffs, and various morphologies formed in Karst nature led us to Tuban. Tuban is a regency in which located at the north coast of East Java. Geographically, Tuban is directly adjacent to Rembang in west side, Lamongan in the east, and Bojonegoro in the south. Tuban named as the City of Thousand Caves because it has rock lithology that has dissolved, massive, thick, and unfettered. Moreover, with high rainfall, Tuban has distinctive relief. This natural condition is called the Karst landscape. Karst form from the karstification process, which is an uplift of the plate due to the tectonic activities of the plate. This occurrences causes sedimentation of remnants of plants and animals containing lime, calcium carbonate, raised from the seabed to the surface of the sea. As a result of tectonic forces, fractures and cracks form which associated with each other. The area will expose to an acidic solution resulting from the reaction of carbon dioxide with hydrogen, which causes dissolution in karstic rocks. The rock dissolution forms a valley with cliff and karst towers called residual morphology. In the area that forms the valley, like some areas in Tuban, such as Telago Pule Semanding Tuban, rocks found with squiggly surfaces with interconnected holes. This rock is called phytokarst. The formation of phytokarst affected by the impact of the biological activity, which is an alga that covers the surface and goes inside 0.1 until 0.2 mm by forming an acid solution so that it can dissolve karstic rocks. Karst rock dissolution activities continue to form a hydrological system in the karst area. In general, the hydrological system in the karst area is impermeable, but the groundwater still can flow through rock cracks. Groundwater flowing about minerals that are easily dissolved, forming fractures that are increasingly large to form the river flow. Though karst area is the biggest water store, but it seems like it have a dry surface. Banyulangse is located in Jadi Semanding Tuban. Banyulangse is one of the river in the karst area where the area is difficult to get water and makes Banyulangse as a source of livelihood for the local community. They use it as the source of drinking water and bathing. Furthermore, the Banyulangse has breathtaking scenery, making Banyulangse as a target of attractions. The dissolution of the karst produces constructional morphologies, major and minor. One of the major constructional morphologies in Tuban is the Akbar Cave located in Semanding Jarkali, Gedung Ombo, Tuban. The process of forming a cave is a continuation of the process of forming surface rivers. The surface river will gradually erode the riverbed and begin to form a horizontal cave path after the deeper erosion. The groundwater flow will look for a horizontal cave path. So, the sky over the cave will collapse and then meet the horizontal cave system that forms the surge. On the cave wall, there are beautiful ornaments resulting from the dissolution of calcite minerals by an acid solution. This solution enters through cracks that form on the wall of the cave. Then, it becomes a carbonate solution. At the end of the crack, the carbonate solution is partly called a stalactite. Some others fall and settle below it to form stalagmites. In addition, cracks in the cave form ornaments, namely curtain, drapery, and flowstone that are unique. Further developments form pillars. Water droplets from the stalactites form percolation. Karst window, which is a major morphology, can be found in this cave. The existence of a karst window allows the sunlight to enter the cave. The uniqueness of these cave ornaments is the attraction as a tourist attraction. The condition of karst landscape arranged by carbonate rocks gives a lot of benefits to local community as tourism resorts and the biggest water store. Karst area also became a potential area of mineral, habitat for animals, and limestone mining area. Thus, the exploitation should be done wisely to keep it for the next generation. Finally, we have to take care environmental conservation since it has a lot of benefits.